Hello, and welcome to a brief introduction to the 3D Training Institute's 3D Modeling and Printing Made Easy program using Autodesk Fusion 360. Let's start with a brief overview of the 3D modeling and printing process. If you do not have prior knowledge of 3D modeling, the simplest way to understand it is to imagine sculpting with clay, only using a computer. Here is an example of a modeler who starts with a simple box and pulls points and surfaces to model a car, then adds materials and textures to make it look realistic. The 3D printing process starts with an idea of a product you want to make, or a product you want to remodel. Once you decide what you want to create, you would model it in the computer and then print the physical object using a 3D printer. If you're wondering how 3D printers actually work, it's just like how names are written on birthday cakes. Similarly, 3D printers have a nozzle to print objects based on the design and materials you use, which could be plastic, metal, concrete, or even chocolate. Today, we have specialized 3D printers that can 3D print cars, homes, and clothing. There's also one named Foodini that can 3D print food, which you can actually eat, and is tasty as well. Once you create your 3D models, there are multiple options for you to 3D print them. You can visit a 3D printing store or hub close to where you live, or use websites that can 3D print and ship them to you. Or you can 3D print them at home using a low-cost 3D printer. With a 3D printer at home, you can design and print items for your house or for your family and friends, such as smartphone cases, stands, pen holders, door stoppers, and other small parts, instead of purchasing them at a store. This will save you a lot of money over time. Students can use 3D printing to make physical objects based on what they're learning in class, giving them a more active learning experience and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. For those who are entrepreneurial in nature, there are platforms which allow you to create your own online store and sell your 3D products to earn passive income from any part of the world. 3D printing is growing at an extremely fast pace and is expected to disrupt the $12 trillion manufacturing industry. This is the perfect time for you to learn 3D and be a part of the 3D printing generation. Now let's find out how the 3D Training Institute, or 3DTI for short, can make it easy for you to learn 3D modeling and printing from the convenience of your home. 3DTI was formed by our partner production company, 3D Mirage, to bridge the gap between learning and the skills required in the professional workplace. 3DTI is an Autodesk authorized developer, and over the past 20 years has provided professional training to thousands of students in Autodesk software such as 3ds Max, Maya, Revit, and Inventor. Our 3D modeling and printing training program is designed to make it easy for students above 13 years of age to learn Autodesk's Fusion 360 software in just 4 months, with as little as 3 hours of learning time per week, from anywhere at any time. The reason we chose Fusion 360 is because it is a professional-level 3D modeling software, which is relatively easy to use and has been specially designed to create models for 3D printing. The 3DTI training program is entirely project-based, and you'll create one exciting product model each month, such as a smartphone case, drone, wearables, and a miniature concept car. Once modeled, you can 3D print them to show your friends or for your own personal use. The training is conducted through our interactive, feature-rich online platform where you will get to experience our proven 3-step learning process. In addition, you will be provided with a variety of online support options, including live online labs and other collaboration features, to make your learning a fun and engaging experience. We have demonstrated the unique 3D TI training platform to Autodesk Senior Management and the co-founder of an award-winning firm, Lunar Design, and we have received excellent reviews. Our platform has helped students create amazing projects with just months of learning. 11-year-old Alana created a custom mug for left-handed people and a cat-themed cell phone case, while Tina, a Guinness Award-winning explorer, has designed a fully functional rocket engine. After graduating and completing the 4 projects, you will receive a certificate, online portfolio, and a reference letter based on your performance to give you a competitive edge. On completing the program, you will also have the opportunity to join our 3D Entrepreneur Club, where you will learn how to launch and promote your own online 3D store to sell your 3D models, or offer 3D modeling and printing services to potential clients. For a limited time, you can join the entire 3D TI 4-month program by paying 4 monthly installments of only $90 or a one-time payment of $270. Autodesk currently provides a 3-year Fusion 360 software license at no cost to eligible students. Please note, you do not need a 3D printer to join our program. In order to make sure that our 3D modeling and printing made easy program is the right fit for you, we offer a 7-day starter program for just $1. Once you sign up for the starter program, you will receive an email providing a 7-day access to our online platform and a link to download the Fusion 360 free trial software. In the starter program, you will get to experience our interactive training platform by learning how to model your own custom mug. You will also get a complimentary 30-minute live online orientation session with one of our instructional team members to help you get started with your training. To get started, sign up for our $1 starter program by filling out the form below.